Hey, it's Jory. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a really fun riff on a dirty martini that uses some white wine, which is not typical, but it's really fun. So let's make a dirty Chardonnay martini. We're going to start by adding 3/4 ounce olive brine into our mixing glass. I use 3/4 ounce because this is the level of dirty that I like it, but I know some of you are filthy and you can use as much as you like. Then we're going to add 1 ounce of your vodka of choice. Today we're using Absolut. Then we're going to add 2 ounces of a nice Chardonnay. I've got Oyster Bay Chardonnay, but you can use your preferred option. And we're going to add some ice and stir this down. Some people prefer a shaken martini. It adds a bunch of little air bubbles into it, which gives it the feeling of being lighter, but you kind of lose out on that velvety texture that you get when you stir it. So that's my preference. I'm going to double strain this one right into our glass, just to make sure no ice bits fall in. Then we're going to garnish with your olive of choice. Today I've got some pimento stuffed Spanish olives. And there we have it, the dirty Chardonnay martini. The Chardonnay brings a bunch of character, so I think if you like a dirty martini, you'll love this one. Definitely give it a try. Cheers. You can find this recipe and more in the spring edition of Taste magazine.